Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are actually going to be doing our LED upgrade from our quad lamp to the projector style. So this is the Longhorn, and they do traditionally normally come along with these. So to get started, pop open your hood. We are going to remove this top cover on the top. We just have a few push pins in here. Then we're going to remove the grill, and we do have two bolts, one over here and then one on the bottom side holding this headlight in place. So these are the new projector headlights going in. These are by Pit 66. They do have a few colors out there. They also have the white one. This is the black one, so it should look really good, and it actually matches really well with our fog lamps too over here. And then also there's a difference though. These ones actually have a single connector in the back, which is this one over here. So for this, these actually come with their own harness, but just to be sure, we actually ordered one off of Amazon too if that doesn't go that well. So hopefully these do. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to actually, these do have halogen bulbs in here, so we're going to remove these and use the LED ones that we have in these ones. These ones come out, and now we're just going to unplug them. You should have two connections for these. So we're going to remove our old LED bulbs that we already had in here. Just twist these, and they should have come right out. These were by Auto 1, so they were pretty good LED bulbs. But in the new projector ones, they just have halogen ones. So I really wanted these old LEDs to go in those. And I actually reviewed out these bulbs too in the past. So there you go. So these come out. To swap out the bulbs on the other one, we're gonna remove these 5 Phillips head screws. It should be fairly easy to do so. Okay, so I have this removed. Comes out like this, and here it is. So on this side, this is your projector one. This is a regular halogen bulb, and this is actually the low beam one. So for the low beams, we're gonna be using our regular ones. Goes in, you hear a click, it means it's all good. And now just bring these in. There you go. Twist them in place. And then on this side, these are your high beams. Twist them out. Same thing over here. We have a tab on this side. And we're gonna replace this with the Auto 1 ones. I believe these were like 25,000 lumens. Okay, all in place. So it looks like it won't fit, but it does fit, and there you go, locked into place. And now we're just gonna put the cover back on and tighten up the Phillips heads. Okay, so like the wiring harness that is sent over by Pit 64, they do have a small issue though. So the issue is right over here. This one won't actually fit in because of this point over here. So you actually have to just razor this off, so that way it will slide in. However, they will still fit in the opposite ways, but once you do that, your turn signals actually become your like low beam. So you do have to do this. If you don't, it wouldn't work properly. So this one, the one that we just shaved off, should go in right over here. There you go, locks into place. And then this one, the other one, should fit right into this green one. There you go, we like hear the click. You lock this in like this. Same thing for the other one. We have installed it on one side, and look at the difference compared with these regular ones. And now this truck will look way better just with a simple upgrade. Once again, a link will be in my bio, so please do go check that out. Okay guys, so we have everything installed up, and as you can see, they do look really nice. And then here are the results right now. We have the low beams are turned on, and as you can see, the beam pattern is actually really good. And now I'm going to turn on the high beams, and then I'm going to also turn off the fog lamp so you can see how it looks. There you go, our fog lamps are now on. And there you go, the beam is still going all the way across. Now we're going to turn on the high beams. There you go, our high beams are now on. And look at the pattern, they go really nice. There you go guys, all done with installation on both sides. This truck looks really nice, especially with this new headlight setup. And the other good thing, as I didn't mention before, these blacked out, the black interior matches perfectly fine with our fog lamps. So once again, 100% recommend this. Link will be in my bio. You can purchase them on Amazon.